What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I've got an exciting update for website and funnel analytics. We now have the ability to view a pie chart visualization within our analytics dashboard that will show us a distribution of our analytics for our funnels and websites in a pie chart setting. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, this is going to be on our sub account level under sites and analytics. On this analytics page, we've had this dashboard here, but what's new is right down here, we've got this new pie chart. So modify your filters as such, whether it's between funnels, websites, QR codes, forms, or surveys. Select what you would like to view analytics for, and then you'll be able to see all the analytics right here. And then down here again, for our page views, we'll be able to see the distribution depending on our filters. So right now we have a filter for all websites. We can see 100% of the websites is from this website specifically. But if we select an individual website, for example, this one, then we will see a distribution of our views across the steps in our website or website pages, which is really cool. So we can see all of the different website pages that people have been visiting. It's color coded, and we can go through and highlight each individual page as a slice of the pie so we can see exactly where people are going on our page. Now, this works not just for page views, but of course for any other analytics that we are looking at. So for things like opt-ins, it's not going to be necessary because there's no distribution here. But for sales, we'll be able to see the same thing to see which steps there are sales on within the pie chart, which is really, really cool. So for example, if we're a business and we want to see how many page views we've gotten in, let's say, the past week, then we can set our filter to be the past 7 days, and then we'll see that distribution on our pie chart, and we can share exactly how many page views we've gotten on each of our pages. So it's a really cool way for us to see immediately how many views we're getting on each page. Additionally, we can click on any of these steps to remove them from the pie chart. For example, if we want to remove any of these pages, or maybe let's say for this use case, we want to remove the home page, since we know, then we can see a distribution between all of the other pages of the website, along with on each one a number for exactly how many views we've gotten within this time period on that specific page. This analytics dashboard so far has been absolutely awesome, and this pie chart just makes it even cooler, gives us the ability to really share in-depth analytics with our clients and with our team members. So I'm really excited for everyone to start using it. If you have any questions about how this feature works, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.